Tired of the same old rockets? Humanity's future needs more than chemical thrust. Welcome to Propulsion, where we don't defy physics, we rewrite what's possible using AI. Imagine a spacecraft propelled by warped space-time or a rocket engine fueled by antimatter. Wild, right? But innovation starts with imagination. That's where Llama 3.1 comes in. This powerful language model, hosted right here on Party Rock, can generate tons of out-of-the-box propulsion ideas based on your prompts. Need visuals? Stable Diffusion XL brings those concepts to life, no matter how mind-bending. Let's try it. I'll feed Llama a prompt, something like, design a propulsion system using quantum entanglement. Watch this. SDXL starts with basic shapes, then refines them based on LLM output, like showing linked rings, energy streams, etc. See? We're already visualizing possibilities. As Llama generates technical details, SDXL adapts, giving us blueprints, diagrams, even stunning concept art. Now, it's your turn to become an propulsion engineer. Start with simple prompts. Let Llama guide you, and visualize with SDXL. Don't be afraid to get hands-on. 3D print parts, build small-scale models. This is about exploring the process of invention as much as the result. Remember, you're not alone. Join the Party Rock community, share your wild propulsion ideas, learn from others, and who knows? Maybe your concept is the key to interstellar travel. This isn't just about building rockets, it's about building the future. Ready to launch your journey into alternative propulsion?